At this time of year, with all the leaves falling and everything, we're out here trying to just get everything cleaned up and just get all the leaves out of all the inlets.
A lot of people assume that the leaves will just wash away, but once they pack up, it's pretty heavy. So if we don't catch them by then, it's going to be backups and everything, and that's the last thing that anyone needs.
This one, we had umbrellas, skateboards, kids' toys, cinder blocks.
I can't believe some of the stuff we pull out and how some of the bigger stuff actually gets down there.
You know, sometimes stuff come running down the street and get in there, but ultimately it comes from people chucking trash into the inlets because people don't really think about, you know, the inlet having to flow.
So that's a problem.
I have like 4 crews that's doing inlet inspection, and they make a work order for the inlet crews to come by and clean the inlets out when they see debris in them.
The Vector truck's basically a humongous vacuum. We just get a pipe, depending on how deep the inlet is, short or long, stick it in there, just go around the bottom and just start sucking everything out.
The truck cannot suck up everything, so the pipe is only so big and the suction is only so strong. So once you get to, like, you know, closer to the bottom where you start getting big stuff, we have to go down and try to pick up the big stuff by hand and bring it out.
We wish homeowners would actually keep the leaves out of the street and up on the grass. The main thing is trying to keep the streets clean, the inlets clean, sanitary and storm.
Help rainwater get to where it needs to go. We want to keep our rivers clean. You know, we can't really do that with people dumping trash in there.
We have duties to serve the public and make the customers happy, that they pay our bills. So it's good to come do an honest day work and just do our job.
We're all a part of this. You know, MSG is just one part of it. We need the homeowners to also, you know, do their part to help out, to keep everything going.
Try not to throw things into the inlet. That makes our job a little bit easier.
It helps life. MSD is making the community better.